Okay, today in your phonics word study lesson, we continued working with homophones, two or more words that sound the same but have different spellings. For example, R-O-A-D is a road you drive on. R-O-D-E means past tense of writing something. You're going to pick the top sentence up here and read it. This one says, whales and sharks swim in the blank. Then you're going to look up at your board and find which word would make sense in that blank. Whales and sharks swim in the sea. You've got two C's here, S-E-E and S-E-A. You're going to pick which one's correct. So we know S-E-A means the body of water. S-E-E means something you do with your eyes. So whales and sharks swim in the sea. When I find the right one, S-E-A, I'm going to drag one of the blue counters and cover up that word on my board. When I'm finished with this sentence, you're going to remove it by dragging it off the side and go to the next sentence. She was too blank to lift the heavy box. You're going to continue till you get all of the sentences finished and pick the right homophone from the word box.